In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like. The base mesh was a torus with a simple deform modifier and an array modifier applied. I'm using a sphere to block all external lights. This was the basic mesh. I'm using an empty object as an anchor object, and I'll show you how the mesh looks like without the modifiers. Without the empty object, the mesh looks like this. Then I applied the modifiers, pressed Shift D to duplicate, and R to rotate it like this. The golden mesh was created by applying all modifiers, and by using a curve modifier with an extruded curve like this. After applying the modifier, I manually rotated the mesh to make it look like it's coiling around the blue mesh in the middle of the screen. I'll show you the rest of the setup details. Since all external lights were blocked, I have added 4 point lights like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.